Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find out what is wrong with your iPhone, which first needs to be repaired and service, and iPhone will tell you by it itself. Now, how you can find out? What you need to do is go to settings. Now, any settings, go down here, search for journal, click on journal. Now in here search for about, click on about. Now anything happens to your iPhone, some things need to be changed or refilled, this spot will be pop up parts in service history. Click on this and here you will find out the list of the faults or anything else happened to your iPhone. It will be listed here. In my iPhone the battery health is about 78% and it tells me to repair it and replace the battery, and anything else happen to your iPhone it will be listed here and you can easily find out your iPhone damage and everything here. If this option is not pop up, which means your iPhone is fine. If you have any question, comment down below. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.